cats can remember each other's names, according to a report at StudyFinds. Cats often get a bad reputation for being antisocial and fairly uninterested in everything we lowly humans have to say. No kidding. It's because, if they were bigger than you, they would kill you and eat you just like their friends, the lions and the tigers. A new study out of Japan finds cats really are listening and know exactly who their owners are speaking to, and cats understand and remember the names of their feline pals. That's how they're going to gang up and plot to kill you. You know it. The findings also point to cats having the same ability to learn human words that dogs display, even if cats would rather have their owners think they're ignoring them. So they're listening, they just don't care. Like my kids. The cats in the study either lived with others in a home or in a cat cafe where several friendly felines keep customers company during their visits. That really happens? I thought that was just a show on TV. Oh, well. Okay, I had a few cats in my day, and they were cool, I guess, but I found that every cat owner thinks their cat is not like other cats. And I used to say that all the time. In retrospect, that just sounds like you're trying to make an excuse as to why you have a cat. I just want to point out that I read these and react to these studies just like you do and try to address might be popping into your head as you read, or in this case, listen. So let's press on, shall we? Study authors presented each cat with the image of a familiar cat from the same household. They then played a recording of that cat's name or a different incorrect name. I see there. Results show that the cats in multi-pet homes spent more time staring at the image of their friend when the wrong name was played. Researchers believe the cats were studying the image because of the confusion over the mismatched name. On the other hand, cats in cafes didn't spend as much time examining the mismatched faces. Okay, study authors say this suggests that cafe cats are less familiar with all the different felines living in the busy stores, and I presume that people in the cafe don't know all the names, right? And sure enough, that's what the authors believe. They probably have dozens of cats, probably all being called, hey you, whereas cats in a home where they are always being yelled at for scratching the sofa, knocking over the vase of flowers and water so it shorts out the DVR, or jumping on the counter with their kitty litter feet while you're trying to prepare a meal, those cats tend to know their name. That is what I have lived. Study authors say basically cats at home are always hearing each other's name in context so they can remember who is who. I've since recovered from this stress. And before you say it, no, a water bottle doesn't work. It just trains them to be sneaky and not do those bad things while you're in the room to squirt them with the water bottle. The researchers also note that their study only involved 48 cats, including 29 from cat cafes. The team says it's still unclear how cats learn to associate names with faces. Really? Amusingly, part of the problem revolves around cats being very uncooperative study participants. It's kind of like herding cats, really. Just my thought here. Sometimes a blank stare is just a blank stare. But it's more information to put in the plus column, I guess, for the critters. They do have a brain. You can check out more info on this and other studies by clicking the link in the description below and head over to StudyFinds.com.